Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Welcome to my YouTube channel Warda's Cuisine. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share my video. If you already subscribed my channel, don't forget to share it. Now today we're going to start with the easy yummy recipe of a dahi baray fritters. We can say dahi baray fritters. I'm going to share very easy recipe. For that I take 1 cup of mashed white lentils and soak it with 2 cups of water, and we're going to soak it at least for 5 to 6 hours. Yes, I use 2 cups of water and soak it at least for 5 to 6 hours, 2 to 3 hours. Now you can see I soak it. After 5 to 6 hours, the lentil is a little bit soft. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 cloves of garlic. You can chop the 2 cloves of these garlic and add into the lentils like this and mix this lentil. The recipe is very quick and easy, and this is my mom recipe that I'm going to share here today, and it's an easy recipe. Anyone can make this recipe. If you want to learn any other new recipe, please let me know in the comment. So we're going to mix it like this. Now after mixing it, time to blend this lentils. For that I'm going to take 1 blending jar, and I'm going to add these lentils into the jar. The first time I'm making this with my mom recipe. Please try it. It is very yummy and delicious. Now you can see I'm blending it with 2 tablespoons of water. Don't add much water at this point. Now just 2 tablespoons of water. Blend it. Now you can see the texture here. At this time the texture is like this. It is not runny. Now I'm going to take it out. I use a large bowl because I'm going to beat that batter. For beating the batter, I use a large bowl. Now you can see the texture of a lentils. Now my mom is here to help me out. Now I'm going to make the mixture a little bit runny, so I'm adding the water, and my mom is telling me how much water I have to add. So I added 4 tablespoons of water in the mixture and start blending it. I'm using the blending machine. You can simply blend it with your hand with a spoon. So I'm using the blender over here. Just blend it like this, so it will be turned soft and creamy texture will be come out like this. You can see this creamy texture. This texture is very important. That will help you to make a soft and spongy fritters dahi baray. Now I'm going to add the pinch of baking powder. Now mix it very well before frying it. This texture is help you to give you the soft fritters or dahi baray. Now I'm going to do what? Fry these on medium flame. Deep fry it. Heat the oil. Add these with the help of the spoon. Now you can see here it is. Now take 1 bowl, add the water over here and add these dahi baras and dip these dahi baras and fritters into the water like here. Just dip it like this. They are taking bath. Now after 5 to 10 minutes, just squeeze that. Squeeze the water from the fritters like this. Squeeze it. My mom is squeezing it. Yeah, this is an easy recipe and you can make it. So you can see another batch we can make it. Now next step is, yes, it's ready, near to ready. Now I'm going to take 4 tablespoons of yogurt. You can take more yogurt, add the sugar and salt according to your taste. Beat the yogurt and now dish it out in the plate. This is my plate for iftar. Now add these. You can see they are very soft and spongy. Add the turmeric chutney, or you can add other chutneys, other sauces like the green sauce, green chutney you can add. Now time to add the chaat masala. It gives very good taste. Okay, now after that I'm going to use the chickpeas. I'm going to add the chickpeas. If you know, okay, yeah, it's yummy. If you want the recipe of this chickpeas, let me know in the comment. I will surely share the recipe of this. Okay, now just mix it with the yogurt. And in the end, I'm going to add some crackers. Yes, it gives very good taste when we add the crackers. It's my favorite. So just add it and eat it. And